splendid. Is this oatmeal organically grown? Of course. Okay. Thank you for your generous offer.
Can spell the object and opportunity. Can spell the orchestra and the oak tree. Can spell the oyster. Can spell the ornament. Can spell the
The song is over. We are out of here. We will now participate in a program about the letter P.
penguins and pancakes, poodles and ponies, partridges and pogo sticks all start with the letter P. Papers and paddles, paint and plum trees, pasta and parsley all start with the letter P. These are puppets, can't you see?
We're puppets.
And puppet starts with the letter P.
I have misplaced my pajama pants. Perhaps you can purchase another pair. They were very pricey.
Peanuts and pencils, and a pocket full of pennies. Polar bears and porcupines all start with the letter P.
Pirates and piglets.
All start with the letter P.
That was a positive experience. Yes, I am as pleased as Punch. Our quest for knowledge has led us to the letter Q.
Question for Q. Question for Q. Tell me, have you got a question for Q? What does a duck say?
He says quack.
Who's that guy with a football?
That's the quarterback.
What's the expensive black